in the 2026. There you see, spiraling down towards the ground. In a moment, he's going to be touching down right in front of us. Give him a huge cheer. That's John Day turnaround, a full 360.